Did you know small businesses waste an estimated 26% of their marketing budget every single year? That's a huge chunk of money just vanishing. Many think they need a bigger budget, but the truth is, you just need to stop wasting the one you got. Imagine knowing exactly where every marketing dollar goes. It's not a pipe dream. So let's uncover the biggest leaks in your marketing spend. First up, disconnected campaigns. Think of a local bakery running radio ads for a new pastry, but their website and social media show nothing about it. Customers get confused, sales are lost. Your email, social, and website need to sing the same tune. Next, poor audience targeting. If you're advertising to everyone, you're effectively advertising to no one. You're just paying for eyeballs that just don't care. That's a major budget black hole. Then there is ineffective creatives, ads that don't capture attention or tell a clear story. They just kind of like wallpapers, blurry images, weak headlines, scroll right past and money is wasted. And unoptimized landing pages. Next, there is unoptimized landing pages. Someone clicks your ad but lands on a confusing slow page and they're gone. All the money spent getting that click is wasted. It's like inviting someone to a party but the door is not opening. Finally, lack of measurement. Flying blind means you can't make smart decisions. You need to know what's working and what's not, beyond just clicks. So how do we fix this? It starts with strategic planning. Number one, define clear goals. Get more sales isn't enough. Try increase online sales of product X by 15% in the next quarter. Smart goals make everything measurable. Number two, allocate budget smartly. Don't just follow the crowd. Research where your ideal customers spend their time online. If you're B2B, LinkedIn might be better than TikTok. Next, targeting the right audience. Go beyond and location. Dive into the interests, challenges, and values. Are they environmentally conscious urban professionals? Use analytics and CRM tools to build detailed customer personas. Modern platforms let you target on interest, behaviors, or even find lookalike audiences similar to your best customers. For a local gym, targeting people interested in fitness within a 5-mile radius is way better than just adults in the city. Then, craft compelling creatives. Your headline needs to stop the scroll. Instead of new accounting software, try cut sales ops admin by 40%. Use high-quality, relevant visuals that evoke emotion. A stunning image for Skip the Winter Blues is far more effective, and make your offer clear and irresistible with one clear call to action. Order online, not click here. And crucially, optimize your landing pages. The page must be a direct continuation of your ad. If your ad promises cut sales op admin by 40%, your landing page headline must echo that. Keep it clean, simple, and trustworthy. Add testimonials, security badges, and ensure it loads fast on a mobile. A clear Start Your Free Trial button, immediately visible, makes all the difference. And finally, measure what truly matters. Forget vanity metrics like likes. Track actual conversions, qualified leads, and your cost per acquisition. If it costs you $50 to acquire a customer who only spends $30, you're losing money. Implement robust analytics like Google Analytics and A/B test everything. Different headlines, images, call to actions. Small data-driven changes add up to huge improvements. Remember that online retailer who tested a red versus green add to cart button? That's the power of A/B testing. It's an iterative, data-driven approach. Dedicate time each week to review your campaigns. Scale up what works and scale down what doesn't. And be ready to pivot if a strategy isn't working. This constant refinement turns your marketing budget into a powerful growth engine. So stop chasing bigger budgets and start maximizing the one you already got. The power to grow your business is already within your grasp. Start your budget transformation today. Thanks for watching and being here. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.